So we're interested in using wearable devices to make it easier to interact with robots. So we want to have a system where it can pick up on a lot of your nonverbal cues so that it can be more similar to working with another person. And to do that, we're using these sensors that can pick up on muscle activity, or we can also use brain activity or motion signals, signals that allow the robot to understand what you're doing and what you want to do next, so that the robot can help you out and assist you in different tasks. And right now, we're using these devices to detect gestures so that you can control the robot. And we'd also like the robot to be able to learn from these interactions in the future as well. These sensors pick up on the muscle activity and motion signals, and then we use a neural network, or also unsupervised learning, so that it can classify these signals in real time and figure out what you want the robot to do. So I think it's important to think carefully about how machine learning and robotics can help people to have a higher quality of life and be more productive. So we want to combine what robots do well and what people do well so that they can be more effective teams. And machine learning allows robots to learn from data and to find patterns in data. So it's another tool that we can use as we're programming computers and robots so that it can better understand how they can assist us with different tasks.